book from Aunt Joy.
Bye-bye.
He's trying to open it.
You're so handsome. I'm glad I got to see you. And that was nice of them to share their Christmas with us. All of you.
Look, Joey, here's another book.
Yeah, it was really fun.
Moo Ba La La.
I have time on it too.
That was the name of the book, babe. Here's another book from Aunt Joy and Uncle Dennis and your cousins. Ooh, look at this one, Joey. This one's, look at this one. What is this one? 5 little ladybugs. And they have little ladybugs.
Oh, Joey got another book. He's going to be a smart boy.
Here's another one. What's this one, Joey? Good Night Moon. From Uncle Dennis, Aunt Joy, and the girls.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.